channel. I'm Aubrey. So today we are going out with my god sister. And make sure you hold on. Make sure you comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell because you do not want to miss any video. So make sure you go follow my business. It's right over here. Alright, so y'all gonna come with us, right?
Twins.
The desert of northern Chile. Almost 30 years ago, a pair of spacecraft, the Viking landers, were sent to Mars with instruments to detect life. Come with me on a trip deep into the earth.
You're touching it. Almost. Kayla, go look at the other thing. Look at the video.
Oh, but y'all gotta.
Guys, come here first.
Yeah.
I thought you guys are reading something. Look, it says, read it. It says, is mold alive? Do you think this is alive? Mold, is it alive? Yes or no? It says, yes, mold is alive. See? You gotta read it. Yes. The fuzzy stuff on the bread is alive. What about this?
No.
Is a seed alive? Yes or no? Yes, a seed is alive.
Because remember, seeds grow into different things.
What about this? Is Leechin alive? Yes, good job. What about this? Is a shell alive? No, good job. A shell is not alive. What is that one? Is a fossil alive? Nope, a fossil is not alive. And what about this? Ew, what's all that stuff? Are fruit flies alive?
Well, Aubrey, you know that. That's always by the fruits in the house, right?
Yes, fruit flies are alive. You don't see it there, but ooh.
Get better than too long.
Oh, you gotta push the button. Did you push the button? Oh, it's okay.
I think it's a scaler.
Oh, no, it's here.
Oh, it's water. How much of you is water? Whoa. Yeah, I think it's a scale.
There's a scale. You gotta pick woman, man,
Yeah.
kid. Oh, it's going up, Jay. That's it.
Alright, I'm gonna try.
Wait.
Still going.
Wait, we're getting off?
What are these two doing?
What we had to do, Mom?
I don't know. So cool. So cool, right, Drew? Like 30. Like walking down the street. So peaceful. Hey guys, this is number 1. Wait, Kayla, let Kayla go first so she can show you Aubrey.
Kayla, wait for the hole. Look, you gotta wait. Where the hole goes. Go.
You gotta push the ball up, okay, Aubrey? Wait, let her go, Where's your ball, Aubrey? Okay.
Kayla, move it in the middle.
Mommy!
You saw me. You gotta wait. Right there. Back up. You hit it really hard.
She looks like a professional.
Oh, almost. Too slow. I'll let you
Wait,
know
Aubrey.
when, okay?
Aubrey,
Okay, go ahead, Aubrey.
you have to wait for the
gotta
mouth
wait
to
till we get
open,
this
okay?
Aubrey, put your stick like this. Yeah, put your stick like this.
I mean, do like this, and then you like this.
The other way. The other way, yep. That way.
Go. Go.
Now, go. Oh.
You want to go, Kim?
Yeah, after go.
Go. Wait. Try to do a little before the whole.
Are you trying to cheat?
I bet you can go. Do you have my ball? What color balls did I have
here.
again?
Yellow.
Oh. Oh! Number 2.
Finish it so you throw it out. Do you still want more or no?
You got it in, baby?
I almost did.
You almost did?
Well, then you gotta put it out.
Not yet. You have to wait for it to go now. Go now. Just the way you're hitting it. Okay, I'm gonna show you. She get it in? This one might be easier, Aubrey.
Where is it?
Oh, it's
No,
coming.
you didn't get it. You have to get it in the hole, actually. The little hole there. You have to get it in there. Yeah.
Wait, which hole?
To get it in here. You have to get it so that it can go to the rocket. So not too hard. Hard, but not too hard.
Wait, up that way? Up that way? Number 2.
Finish it so you throw it out. Do you still want more or no?
You got it in, baby?
I almost did.
You almost did?
Well, then you gotta put it out.
Not yet. You have to wait for it to go now. Go now. Just the way you're hitting it. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Number 2.
Finish it so you throw it out. Do you still want more or no?
You got it in, baby?
I almost did.
You almost did?
Well, then you gotta put it out.
Not yet. You have to wait for it to go now. Go now. Just the way you're hitting it. Okay, I'm gonna show you. This is number 6. I swear we were 7. We're still going, guys. We're still going. It gets more and more difficult. We made it to the end, guys. We made it to the end.
Finally.
Good job.
Oh, nice job.
Kayla, your turn.
I made it.
You made it, girl. Move from there, Aubrey. That's it. It's finished. It's the last one. It takes your ball. Come on. Come on.
Alright, a little bit higher. Alright, a little bit hard. Yeah, like that. Oh. Want me to
Uh-oh.
help you? Alright. Because it seems like
She always talking.
a little bit harder than that.
Aubrey became the pro at the end.
Good job.
Gang.
I did mine.
All right.
already.
Okay.